Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights into today's top tech tools and software. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in its class, Microsoft Office Home and Business 2021. If you're looking for a reliable suite of tools that enhance productivity and streamline your work, look no further. Microsoft Office Home and Business 2021 stands out as a powerhouse for both personal and professional use. Whether you're creating documents in Word, crunching numbers in Excel, designing presentations in PowerPoint, or managing emails in Outlook, this suite covers all bases. Let's break down what makes this edition so indispensable. First, it's a one-time purchase, meaning you own the software outright, no subscriptions needed. This makes it perfect for those who prefer a straightforward licensing model without ongoing costs. The inclusion of classic versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook means you get the familiar tools you know and love, enhanced with the latest updates for 2021. This ensures compatibility across platforms. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android, you're covered. Navigating through Office 2021 is a breeze. The interface remains intuitive, designed to boost efficiency without a steep learning curve. From templates that expedite document creation to advanced data analysis tools in Excel, every feature is crafted to save you time and elevate your output. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, and Microsoft Office Home and Business 2021 doesn't disappoint. With built-in security features and updates directly from Microsoft, your documents and communications remain secure against threats. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a student, this suite adapts to your needs seamlessly. It integrates with other Microsoft services like OneDrive for cloud storage, ensuring your files are accessible anytime, anywhere. In conclusion, Microsoft Office Home and Business 2021 is not just a purchase, it's an investment in your productivity and peace of mind. With its comprehensive suite of tools, user-friendly interface, and robust security features, it remains unmatched in the market for those seeking reliability and efficiency. That wraps up our review of Microsoft Office Home and Business 2021. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. And as always, leave your comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay productive and tech savvy.